Hey guys, Kim here from Kim on a Whim. In today's video, I am going to start out with getting some laundry done. I usually like to start my videos here only because I always say like that's stuff that can be working in the background while I'm trying to get other stuff done around the house. So we're going to start with laundry, but in today's video, I'm going to tackle the top of my dryer because I just have so much stuff on top of it. I just need to go through socks especially that have been sitting in a basket for God knows how long. I know there's some matches that I have in there, a lot that I do not have matches for. So I think what I'm going to do, kind of try and put them to the side and start getting rid of them. If I don't have matches to them by now, because I know they've been sitting in this little plastic bin that I got from Dollar Tree for at least a year. I would say even way more than a year. I need to just start tossing them because I'm not finding the matches to it. Then after that, I'm going to go through my refrigerator because I know there's a bunch of stuff in there. No, there's not really a bunch of stuff in there that's expired, but I'm running out of a lot of stuff. So I'm kind of going to prep this day to go food shopping the following day, which make sure you're subscribed to my channel because I will have the next video will be a haul from Sam's Club and Walmart and then other things around the house that I just want to tackle. I have a lot of stuff that I want to kind of go through and get rid of, and I'm having one of these I don't want to call it an episode, but I'm having one of these like I just want to throw everything away and start new. I know I can't do that because then I will be so mad at myself later when I have to rebuy stuff. But I really want to go through the house and look at everything that I have and just start tossing stuff that I really do not use anymore. I think I'm going to start in the bathroom with a lot of makeup. I did get for, I think it was for my birthday. Mia bought me the Saint makeup palette and I've been using that when I do wear makeup because honestly, I don't wear a ton of makeup. I will always have mascara on and some kind of lip gloss or like a like a lip balm. That's the word I was looking for. Oh, words are escaping me a lot lately. I have so much spinning in my head that I'm thinking about and I'm like trying to find words for stuff. So lip balm, and it's the Summer Friday. That's the one I've been wearing a lot lately. I have the mint flavor and I really like that one. And then I just got like a squishy one from Maybelline or something that's really good. Cotton Candy Grape, I think it's called. That's really good. So those are like kind of the things that I usually stick to for makeup. I kind of just a jeans, t-shirt, and very minimal makeup kind of person. But I know there's a lot of stuff in, like I said, in my makeup that I need to go through. And just in my house in general, it's all just starting to irritate me. There's just way too much stuff around and I just need to get rid of it. So come on this journey with me.
So don't let me go, nah, 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 nah. I'm all up in that love haze. So where do we go, nah, nah? Just let me know that I am safe here in your arms. I wanna stay, stay. I'm slipping away. So don't let me go now. Your love is exceptional. It fills me up. It's out of control, out of control. Oh baby, I love the rush. It overflows. It's out of control, out of control. I'm in love. I'm in love. Yeah. I'm slipping away. Yeah. Just like I am dreaming, walking around in this love haze. I wanna stay in this feeling.
So here's the bin of socks that I'm talking about. It is actually overflowing at this point. And like for instance, I know there's some matches, like I said, in here, but I'm going to say 98% of this bin is stuff that I cannot find matches for. And at this point, you would think someone would just give up on it because if I haven't found the match, I'm not finding the match. But I know deep down somewhere in this house, there are matches for this stuff. I did find a couple that I know, okay, my guess is there was a hole in one of them and it got tossed, and then because the match isn't found, it's sitting in this pile. I do know there was a couple of those, so I did throw out a few pairs of socks already, or not pairs, but singles. But wait until the end, because you'll see that I still have a crap ton of singles that I did not have matches for. Now, one person might say, just toss them all. What's the point? The point is, I know that they are somewhere in this house, because I know sometimes singles will get put in piles into people's rooms. So I might have to ask people to look around to see if they have any singles laying around that I have the match for in this bin, because that has happened and I just can't find it in myself to throw them away yet.
It's out of control. It's a no. It fills me up. It's out of control. Baby, I love the rush. Come on, yeah. Out of control.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors, they kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it.
So unfortunately, I wasn't able to get it on, the sound on the camera, but I'm sitting there and Pedro's looking out the window like he usually does, and he starts growling. I don't know if you've ever heard a cat growl, but it's kind of the craziest thing. He'll growl anytime somebody comes up near our house, and that particular time it was the mailman just coming up to deliver our mail. That's the only reason why I knew somebody was coming near our house, is because our cat was growling. And I know like dogs are always like the ones that are the protectors of the house, but I gotta say, like Pedro, he's kind of right there. He will growl when somebody's coming up to the door. So now that everything crisis is averted and strangers are gone, he has come back to perch and look out at the birds that are all on the lawn. Okay, so I made a slight dent in the sock bin. Now I'm going to move on to the refrigerator. Like I said, there's not really many things in here that are expired. However, I just wanted to kind of go through everything, clean off all of the shelves, because I know I had something spill on one of the shelves and it was kind of sticky. And I know I want to go food shopping the next day. So that's why I just wanted to kind of get an idea of everything that I do have and what I do need. Like I know I was running out of eggs, I was running out of butter, Parmesan cheese, like all of the staples in our house were completely gone at this point. I had been gone for a week. I was getting Mia settled in her house, which I don't know if you guys want to hear like kind of a life update, because there has been a ton of stuff that has happened within a short year. So if you guys wanted to hear like kind of a life update kind of thing, just let me know down in the comments. But I was gone for a week trying to get Mia all settled into her place, and it was just Nick and Greg here, so they were kind of just going through everything that we had, and I just needed to run out and grab some of our basics that we always use.
There's something different about us. There's something different about us. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about the way we are.
Since I'm not doing like a full on deep clean of the refrigerator, like taking shelves out and taking bins out, I figured I would just work in little sections here. So in this section, I put everything down on like the ledge here, just so I could wipe it down, because I know some barbecue sauce or something spilled back here. So I just wanted to get that out. And then I'll just go, once I put everything back, I'll move on to like the next little section and just wipe that all down. This way I'm not pulling everything out and just making a big mess of all my countertops and the table, and I'm just working in little sections at one time with some of the clear Dawn dish soap. It's the Dawn spray. I didn't want to put anything like chemically in here just because it is in the fridge, and that way I figured that's kind of safe. There's no scent, like no dyes or anything to it, so we were good to go.
Forever, forever. I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you, everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
The blinking lights is my fridge's way of telling me, like, let's move on to the next section. I can't tell you how much that infuriates me, and I haven't figured out yet how I can like shut that off just while I'm doing stuff like this, because it'll blink, 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 it'll beep, 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 and then it'll get to a point where the lights completely shut off, and then I can't see what I'm doing in here. There's got to be something. I mean, maybe if I read the manual, I'd be able to figure it out, but there's got to be a way to shut this off. I get why it does it. It's just while I'm trying to work on something, and I tried maybe just closing the one door. That didn't work. I have to close both doors and then open everything back up in order to reset the light to stop blinking. But luckily this section, there's just very few things that I need to take out to clear it off, and we'll be all done here. However, any drawer that you have open in the fridge, it will blink the lights. I found that out when I started going through like all of the cheese and dairy drawer, which is the next one that I'll get to.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? I was facing all the sunlight while our feet swung freely from the bridge. The bridge. You asked if I'd save you, if you were crazy enough to take a swim, a swim. I tried to make you see that my shoulder is ready for you to lean on. So why, oh why do you still flee when you know that you are the one? I can tell that you've been through some kind of heartbreak. All I ever been with you is faithful like a blind girl's dog. Every time I give you love, you still look so doubtful. I'm faithful like a blind girl's.
The drawers that I keep the produce and the fruit in, they weren't too bad, except I did have to throw away this big thing of carrots, which that's like a thorn in my side when I have to throw stuff like that away. But these drawers weren't too bad because I had just gone through them not that long ago. The fruit drawer, I think one of the apples or something that were in there kind of went soft, and it made the drawer all kinds of funky. So I had already gone through that like the week before, so there wasn't much that I needed to do in these drawers. But I did notice that the carrots had expired like 2 weeks before, and any kind of produce like that, I don't want to risk it, just because like the carrots, they're like $3 for the bag. So I'd rather not risk somebody's health for $3. It kind of sucks that I forgot about them, but maybe don't buy such a big thing of carrots because we know we're not going to eat them much. But I put them outside for the squirrels, so the squirrels will get to eat the carrots. Because guess what? They would have eaten them if I put them in the trash anyway, so I just put them in like a little section in the backyard where the squirrels or whatever else wanted to eat them could. Now I'm going to move on to where we keep all of our cheeses, lunch meats, and like butters and dips and stuff like that. Most of the stuff that was in here was okay. It was just I needed to take it out and just clean the drawer itself because there was some crumbs and stuff like that in there. I don't have like any little handy vac or anything like that. I kind of just scoop it all up with my hand and a paper towel and get rid of it that way.
You got some trust issues, though I admit it's cute, but there's too many disputes with you. Once and for all, just tell me how I can set you free. I need to know. I can tell that you've been through some kind of heartbreak. All I ever been with you is faithful like a blind girl. Every time I give you love, you still look so doubtful. I'm faithful like a blind girl's dog. I'm faithful like a blind girl's dog. I'm faithful like a blind girl's dog. Faithful like a blind girl's dog. Faithful. I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause
Okay, so we're getting ready to wrap up this video, and if you guys have stayed till the end, thank you so much. I do appreciate that. Hit a thumbs up if you're liking this video, this type of video. Like I said, the next video is going to be the Sam's Club and Walmart grocery haul, and then I'm going through my makeup to try and get rid of stuff that I know I don't use anymore. I think I have a couple foundations that are for sure over a year old that I haven't worn in forever, so I know they're going to go. And I'm going to go through a lot of my mascaras because I'm on a never-ending search for a good mascara. I think I have found one. I keep going back to it. Like I see a new one come up and I'm like, oh, let me buy it and try it. I can tell you from the first sweep whether I like the mascara or not. And I bought one recently and I do not like it yet. It's still sitting in one of my little baskets in the bathroom. So I know I just need to get rid of that, and then stuff that I just don't wear or don't use. And yeah, stuff that I don't wear, because I have a ton of clothing that I know I don't wear. I need to go through that. Like I said, I just need to go through everything in the house and just get a handle on my house and all of the stuff that is in it, to bring some peace of mind to myself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, if you did, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos coming out. And even there's like past videos. I have a playlist of decluttering stuff, and it's always a work in progress. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.